Hey YouTube family, Mike Jones here, back with another video on my channel where we talk about all things investing in personal finance with the genuine hope that we will be able to inspire someone to go ahead and get started with their financial freedom journey today. With that said, today we're going to go ahead and be talking about my Webull portfolio update, which we always do on Fridays after 5, which is when the market closes. But before we go ahead and get into that, it would be absolutely awesome if you go ahead and smash that like button and subscribe, as we are trying to get to a goal of 1,000 subscribers by my birthday, which is in about a month and a week. So we have 5 weeks to get that done. But I just want to go ahead and thank everybody who's been a part of this journey so far. And with that said, we'll get right into my Webull portfolio right after this. Hey YouTube family, welcome back to my channel. So as I said, we'll be talking about my Webull portfolio today. And so let's go ahead and get started with the screen recording and let's get it. So here we are, and here is our Webull portfolio. As you can see, since the last time that we recorded a video about this, we have gained a whole bunch of money. I think last week we were at $4,400 in gains. As you can see, with the market finally closed, we landed at $5,859.78, which is a almost 58% return. And so our total account now is at $16,116.86, which is absolutely phenomenal. When we look at our market value, it's $16,100.28, and $16.58 is what we have in our buying power. Our risk level is still safe, and let's go ahead and look at what happened over this week. On Monday, we were at $14,807.14, which is really phenomenal for our portfolio. But on Tuesday, we went ahead and got to $15,002.37. On Wednesday, we went to $15,286.07. On Thursday, we got to $15,816.67. And of course, today we just went over that. So let's go ahead and look at what's going on here. As you can see, Airbnb has finally gained all its money back, and it's up about 24 cents after hours. And we have Rocket Companies up next, which is has regained most of its market value back, or most of its share price back, with only 75 cents loss. We have Coca-Cola, which is down $2, so that's an opportunity for us to go ahead and buy a better position if we wanted to. We also have FV, which gained about $2 this week. We have Main Street Capital, which continues to do well. We have Workhorse Group, which is back up and recovered from its previous price of last week, which was like $20 a share. So over the week, we've gained $17.18 for an almost 20% return. Genius Brands is finally positive. We have CVS Health, which is also positive now, with $9.70 gain, or $9.07 gain, which is about a 14% return. We have TELUS Communications, which continues to do well. We have Shaw Communications, which is up a little bit, $1.88 for a 2% return. We have Walgreens Boot Alliance, which is ticker symbol WBA. It gained a lot of money this week, so we're up $64.17 for a 16 or 17% return. Simon Property Group gained $1 this week, so we're up to $92 or $92.13 for a 27% return. Apple was wishy-washy this week. It started at like $133 per share this week, and then went back down to like $124, I think, and then so it came back to $131.75, bringing us to $103.62 in profit for an 8.5% return. As you can see, Bank of America has stayed steady, only losing 70 cents so far. Keurig Dr. Pepper has gained money. Our profit on that is $3.59 for a 12.5% return. Whirlpool is doing well. Allstate has done fantastic, gaining $6.17 for a 6% return. We have W.W. Granger almost hitting that $400 threshold, which is awesome. Fastenal is starting to gain some traction. We're up to $8, which is a 18.68% return. Mercury General has taken off, gaining $9.84 for a 23% return. Duke Energy is positive now with $1.17 gained, which is a 1% return. We have Eaton Corporation, which is starting to gain some traction as well, which has gained $39.81 for a 45% return. You know, John Deere always does this thing. Chevron is starting to recover. BP is up to $24.54 a share, which has gained us $30.16 for a 32.5% return. We have BMO, which has gained good money over the time that we've had it. We have BCE, which is doing well. Assurant, which has started to take off, gaining $31.04 for a 29% return. And Tesla has been the difference maker in this portfolio. But I wanted to go through those other companies because they've also contributed to this week's performance. But the majority or the bulk of my performance from this week has come from Tesla, which I believe Tesla was at $650 a share at the beginning of the week, but now it's at $867.51, which is a $200 return for each share that I have, which would be about $1,200 profit this week, which is absolutely fantastic. Even if it was at $700 a share at the beginning of the week, that's still $160 plus for each share. So it's really dramatically brought up how much I've made. And so that's a 289.5% return, which is pretty fantastic. Helmrich is starting to gain traction and get back to its original price, bringing in $4.55 for a 22% return. Aflac, we love Aflac. We definitely want to get more shares of Aflac, but it started to gain some traction, getting $15.52 for a 21% return. One Oak gained like $1 this week, so we're up to $39.10 for a 24% return. Berkshire Hathaway continues to do its thing. Hershey also is doing well. Clorox is down $6.06 this week. Goldman Sachs is up to $85.83 for a 42% return. Lam Research is back to that $500 mark. So that brings us to $230.67, which is an 85% return. Kimberly-Clark is down $9, which gives us a great opportunity to go ahead and buy this stock if we want to get a better position in. We have DraftKings, which gained about $2 this week a share, so it's $37.92 return so far with a 57% return. We have Diageo, which I believe took off this week for $24.82. I believe Diageo had only gained us like $4 before this week, so that's fantastic to see. SKT continues to grow. We've got an 89% return on that, and so we're gonna have to do our research on whether or not we want to go ahead and get in some more shares of that. But it depends on if they're gonna provide a dividend, because I don't know if the growth is sustainable. So we'll have to look at that. We have Meredith, which has gained $6.45, bringing in about 48% return. You have Halliburton, which is finally $20 a share, bringing in $19.14, which is a 90.45% return. We have JetBlue Airways, which is some free stock that we got, which is gained $9.22, which is a 45% return. We have Viacom CBS, which continues to grow, bringing in $54.66 for a 214% return. Snap is going steady right now. We have bring in $221.15 for a 528.5% return, guys. Crazy gains. Starbucks is doing this thing with $40.10 brought in for a 61% return. Southwest has started to grow again. I've seen it as high as $54 a share, so it might be trying to get back to that point. But right now, we've gained $93.48 on that, which is a 15% return. WWE has started to grow, bringing in $4.25 for an almost 10% return. Bank of Nova Scotia is getting back to its former price. So it's brought in $159.56 for a 17.5% return. We have Ford Motor, which had a slow week this week, so we've only brought in $25.40 for a 31% return. GE, our 100 shares, still doing fantastic. We're trying to get it back up to that $14 a share or $13.50 a share. That would be really awesome to see that. We have 100 shares at $11.31 right now. And so we've gained $141.59 for a 14% return. And then you have VNQ, which is still losing money. So we're down $12.08 for a 12 or almost 13% loss. But we also have something else to talk about today, and that is the fact that we actually have free shares that we're going to go ahead and open up. So we're really happy about that. Not sure who went ahead and used my referral, but thank you so much. I really, really appreciate it. As you can see, in the year 2020, we were able to open up 29 different stocks on like 5 or 6 different referrals. But let's go ahead and open these up. So we have what looks like Ford, which is going to be at an $8.98 estimated value. So that's awesome. We're really happy with that. And then, wait, did we just get 2 shares of Ford? Yep, so we got 2 shares of Ford. So we're really happy with that. Thank you for supporting the channel. And if you haven't already and you want to be a part of supporting the channel, I do have links down below that you can do that with. A Webull link. Also, totally unrelated to the Webull stuff, but M1 Finance, if you go ahead and use my referral link, is offering $30 to any person that uses the referral link. And so that would be $30 to you and $30 to me for referring you. So we both win. So if you want to go ahead and open an account with M1 Finance, you can go ahead and do that with the links down below. So with that said, thank you so much for watching this video. Let me know what you thought of all the progress that's gone on, the crazy week we just had, over $1,500 in gains in 1 week this week. And we just want to shout out Tesla for that. With that said, thank you so much for watching. I will see you in the next one. Thank you and God bless.